Welcome back to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to draw this type of square thread in SolidWorks. In this tutorial, pitch will be 1 mm and per thread length and height will be 0.5 into pitch. Now 0.5 value will be standard and pitch will be changed, then thread will be changed. In this tutorial, pitch will be 1 mm is shown in this slide. Now, first of all, open thread profile folder. Now first of all go to this PC, local disk C and program data, SolidWorks and our SolidWorks version, and select this thread profile. Now in this thread profile, select this. First of all, see the path. Now in this thread profile, select this metric die, copy this and paste in this folder. Paste. Now rename this file as a square thread. Now select our rename file square thread and open it. Now this type of profile. Now go to edit profile and edit sketch. Now first of all normal this sketch and delete. Now see the dimension 0.5 pitch, height and length of thread. Now delete all dimension and edit this sketch and make as a square profile and delete to both line, this line and this line, and this dimension will be 0.5 into our pitch means 0.5, and delete this line and delete this also center line. Now draw one line to the midpoint like this. Now this line dimension is equal to this 0.5 line. Now both are equal. Now done. Go to one more line and close this profile. Make as close. Now done. Now select smart dimension and give a dimension 0.5. Now this both will be done. Now select this line and this line relation will be make as equal. Now done. Now our square profile will be done. Now go to this configuration. See all configuration of our square thread configuration. Now see. Now select this configuration and left click and go to property. Now change, name it square thread. Square, and we copy and go to this and paste. Now done. Now go to this configuration name and one more time select. Now this will be automatically selected. Now done. Now scroll down our square done. Now go to this part and save this profile, square thread profile. Now exit sketch. This will be done. Save it one more time. Now go to open, new part, and done. Now select this top plane sketch and draw one circle on this plane. Now change this dimension centimeter to millimeter and edit this sketch. Now select this smart dimension and this dimension will be 10 mm. Now done and exit sketch. Now go to feature and extrude boss base. Now select this circle and this extruded up to 30 mm and done. Now see, now apply chamfer on both sides of this end, cylinder end. Now select this chamfer and select this both end like this, and this dimension will be 1 mm. This dimension will be 1 mm, and done. Now our object done. Now go to this whole wizard and select this thread. Now select first of all our square thread, and this size of square thread will be this thread location, and select this upper side of edge, this cylinder, and OK. Now this profile will be done. Now select this offset. This will be 5 mm. See, now first of all select up to next surface. Now select this surface. Now see, thread will be cutted and this offset will be in reverse direction. Now scroll down and pitch will be decreased. This pitch will be now this pitch will be 2 mm, and select offset another side and condition, this will be 2 mm. Now see, this will be done. OK. Now see, our thread will be cutted, but some thread gap are big. First of all show the preview, this thread. Now go to edit, pitch will be 1 mm, and done. Now first of all go to this thread profile and edit this thread profile. Now decrease the pitch. Now scroll down and this pitch will be 1 mm. Now done. OK. Now see, our square thread will be now done. See, the preview of our pitch will be decreased, then pitch will be 1 mm. Now see the preview of our square thread. Now this will be perfectly cutted in both sides. Now see the preview.